Are you ready for some Orbeez fun? Gotta pour that Orbeez goodness. I'm gonna drop in a few little festive little pieces there. This is gonna be a nice New Year's centerpiece. And this is especially for adults. This here, my friend, is a shot ring. I get filled up with what? Orbeez. Look at that. So you can turn this into a little game. Your friends can search for some shot rings. They can search for these, the toppers for your shots as well. And we're gonna scoop those in there. And we're gonna put some more Orbeez because we have a special treat that's gonna go with this. We also have some mixers, so we can just stick them in a fun little fashion. Disco balls and some more Orbeez. Can't forget that bottle opener. And it says, I need a refill. This is a cute little stuffer. We're gonna have one more. So if this is going to be for your guests, guess what? We have some of these. They can just stick right there. Come on in, guys. Grab your drink. Happy New Year. We need to reveal what we put inside. Okay, hopefully I didn't go Orbeez crazy and it's gonna overflow on us. Let's see if you can see all the pretty goodness down there. Oh, it's coming out. You see the corn? Yep, it's. We're gonna use our little stirrer here. Pop out some of these bubbles. Look at how cool that is. This is so cute, my friend. There's your ring-a-ding. What you gonna do when you need a refill? Ooh, Orbeez are falling.